जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम. So I am feeling so awesome after coming and visiting the Baga Atari border, which is famous for its daily beating retreat ceremony, which is a symbolic display of cooperation between India and Pakistan, which is visible from the here. Right now I am going to show everything. So it is my first experience wherever I got from here. So soldiers from the both countries marching in a synchronized display and lowering of the national flags from both countries and shaking the hands together between the heads guards and a crowd of cheering and clapping here. So I am going to show everything regarding the Baga Atari border. So the ceremony took place every evening before the sunset, and the ceremony happens at the border gate between India and the Pakistan army or force in the Wagah. So let's see, this is the view of the Swarna Jayanti Dwar in front of the Baga border. First we have to see the Swarna Jayanti Dwar, and in big letter it is written as a India in front above the Swarna Jayanti Dwar. So really the Swarna Jayanti Dwar is also looking so awesome, and the architecture design of this Dwar is also so unique. So I am feeling so awesome here. So let's see, I came just inside. So let's see the view of the Baga Atari border, the beating retreat ceremony here. So Indian army, Indian soldiers started to march together here, and they will march, and even Pakistan army will also start to march in front of Indian army, and Indian will march in front of the Pakistan army. So जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ का गाता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा. ओहो. So I am feeling so awesome here, and we know some songs that are so popular for our country. Because always you have to salute our Indian soldiers, army and BSF Jawan. So we know BSF means Border Security Force, which they are protecting our country from the enemies. So salute to them always, because they are struggling too much to care for us. माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम. So after coming I am feeling so excited, and really I am feeling so pride on my nation that I born in my country as in Bharat, as a India, which is my motherland. I love my motherland a lot, more than from the me. So we can see lots of persons are enjoying here, and many more crowds always are coming here. Especially the crowds are coming in the evening time. The ceremony happens at the border gate between the Indian and Pakistani army outpost in the Wagah. The ceremony get crowded, especially on weekends and holidays. So anybody who want to come from the Delhi directly, so anyone who want to come, so we can get there by driving from Delhi by road, which will take 8 hours from Delhi, and by flight which takes 1.5 hours only. And the nearest airport, which is located in Amritsar as a Guru Ramdas airport, on the memory of the name was given on the memory of Guru Ramdas, because Amritsar city was founded by the Guru Ramdas, who was a fourth Guru of Sikh. So really he was also a very great personality of our country, one of the respectful person. And even the Golden Temple as Swarna Mandir construction also started by the Guru Ramdas only, and the remaining construction was completed by the Guru Arjan Dev Ji, who was a fifth Guru of the Sikh. So even Bhagat Singh, legendary person who was also from Punjab only, says salute to our Bhagat Singh, who was one of the most brilliant guys in our life. He is also inspired for me and for us as well. One slogan given by the Shahid Bhagat Singh as a शांति की भूमि देकर One of the most beautiful slogan was given by the Bhagat Singh that is quite popular during the freedom in India. क्रांति की इस पूजा वेदी पर हम अपना जीवन नवैध के रूप में लाए हैं. That slogan was given by the Bhagat Singh which I read during my childhood time in the school, which still I remember. Bande Matram, Inqilab Zindabad, also the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad given by the Shahid Bhagat Singh, and we know that Shahid Bhagat Singh along with the Rajguru and Sukhdev. So really they are a legendary person for us, and lots of legendary person in our country such as the Chandrasekhar Azad and also Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So they did very good things for our country to fight with Britishers. So let's see, the march has been started. And the gate will be opened very soon between India and Pakistan. The soldiers are started to march. Still the gate is closed, but I think after few minutes and few times the gate will be opened between both countries. We can see one side there is a Indian national flag as a Tiranga, and second side there is a Pakistani flag, which is both are visible from the here. जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में परिया जारी. So I'm going to listen here. ऐ वतन शांति का उन्नति का ऐ वतन, मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ऐ वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन. प्रीत जहाँ की रे सदा में गीत वहाँ का गाता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. है प्रीत जहाँ की रे सदा. My first experience which I came to visit the Wagah-Dari border. Before that I was in Kashmir as well. I traveled lots of events. I have also seen the Kargil War Memorial, where I remember the story of 1999 when the Tiger Hills captured from our brave Indian Army from Pakistan. At the time in 1999, the gate has been opened. Let's see the view of India and Pakistan border. The gate has been opened. Lots of persons are started to cry and cheering and clapping right now. So it is one of the best moments. Let's see how the Indian soldiers and Pakistani soldiers they are showing and there and marching in front of together. So really I am also feeling so amazing. So let's see and participate together with me, and let's see the view of the Indian and Pakistan army marching. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, जय माता दी। So I cannot explain in a word that how I am feeling right now here. मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, वो मेरे देश की धरती। हो संदेश से आते हैं, संदेश से जाते हैं, घर कब आओगे, घर कब जाओगे। So let's see how they are enjoying right now. Really, it's a very great moment for me, and I am feeling pride on our India and Indian Army and soldiers. Salute to millions of the salutations to them, who they are protecting our country from our enemies. How they are showing and marching, we can see the view which is clearly visible from the here. So really it's a good moment for me, and I think everyone loves this content after watching this. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. वंदे मातरम, सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम, वंदे मातरम। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निशान है मेरा तन मेरा मन। मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द रहे, महफूज रहे तू यानी सदा, चाहे जाने मेरी रहे या न रहे। ऐ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिसमें से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है ये दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आँख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखरे पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आँख से दरिया बहती है। तू कहती थी तेरा चाँद हूँ मैं, और चाँद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, अपनी सी आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी तेरी खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद जय भारत। ऐ मेरी वतन के लोगों, तुमको भी लगा लो नारा, ये सुदिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा। पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने प्राण गंवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो जो लौट के घर ना आए। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आज़ादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े ओ, जब तक थी सांस लड़े ओ, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन उधार कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुमको लगा लो नारा, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनको जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद जय भारत, जय माता दी, वंदे मातरम। So let's see the view of the India and Pakistan. Indian armies and soldiers are marching together and the flagging is lowering right now and they are marching in front of each other together. So it's one of the wonder moment for me, really. I love and I enjoy lots here and I am feeling so pride here after coming and visit on our Indian soldiers and army. Millions of the salutations to them. So it's my good experience whichever I get in my life. So let's see the view. The both soldiers will handshake together and we can see that clearly. The Pakistan and India border is fully open right now. The gate is open right now and after this ceremony they will shake their hand together. Our Indian soldier and Pakistani soldier will shake their hand to each other and then the gate will be closed again. So we can see all over the persons are so excited and really every person are feeling so excited and so healthy and healthy here after coming and visited this Wagah border, which is located 32 km away from the Amritsar city and 23 km from the Lahore. So again Vande Mataram. So it's my passion to exploring all over our Indian famous places like such as the ancient monuments, temples, along with the UNESCO site of India, archaeology site of India, including the natural and Himalayas region and the Arab and the sea and ocean like Indian Ocean too from Himalaya. It's my passion to travel across that. So I'm flowing, so please support to me and please like my content and also subscribe my channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So definitely one day again I will come to visit this Wagah border because it's in my heart. Bande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Satyameta Jayate, which is our national slogan of India, which is given by the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, who also established the VHU as a Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya in Varanasi. That was established by the Pandit Madan Malviya, which gave the national slogan of India, Satyameta Jayate, which is taken from the Mundikano Upanishad. And our national emblem of India, that is Ashoka Stamp as a lion capital of Ashoka, which is taken from the Sarnath. So this is the things about all. So again, Bande Mataram. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.